All right, welcome back. Today we're still working same day, but we're gonna do the radiator. So take the old stuff out and at least try to install the new one, get it lined up. Let's get it done. All right, for those that have never drained a radiator, it's most of the time, or I think all the time, is on the driver's side. I'll show you on the new one. It's this one right here. You just loosen that up, it starts draining. On the old one, it's in a hard place. It's right there. You can't really reach in there, but we're gonna try and see if we can drain it. Well, we're looking to drain it through the bottom, but it's easier from the top. So we'll show you. It's open, and there it is down there. And I reached down there, and it's just hand tight. So I'm just gonna open it up and let it drain out. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are at this point already. We disconnected the upper and lower hose, the cooler lines, everything's disconnected. Took the brackets off. One went here, one went there. And it's ready to pull out, so we just wanted to record how it looks right now, and then so we can set in the new one, see if we don't have any issues. All right, so we had a little trouble taking the fan clutch, but this is what we did. We put a pipe wrench right there to hold. See if you can see that. And just leaned it on that. My brother-in-law held it, and then we got another wrench, and then just broke it loose, and it goes just like Lefty Loosey when you're looking at the engine. And you know how we figured that out? YouTube video. So I know it helped some of us. Well, we're at a good stopping point. We put it all in there, and it's a little too loose. So these mounts, we should have thought about that earlier, but we're gonna get some new ones, top and bottom, because it's too loose. And it does, if you push it, it does come out. So we're gonna do that. Hoses are back on. This one's on. We had to go to Littlefield to get this, a 15-minute drive, to get that little adapter to get that done there. And then this one, we might have to put a longer hose. That one's too tight. But this is what it looks like so far. It's looking good. No more fan. Looks pretty good. And hopefully, here pretty soon when we get the mounts, we're gonna install the mounts and finish up the last few things, wire up the fans, and then we're gonna jump on the next thing. So we're moving along. Thank y'all everybody for watching how we're upgrading this 69 Chevy pickup. It's gonna be nice. Y'all check it out. Remember, you don't have to know everything. Just figure it out as you go, or if you ask somebody, most people are nice enough to tell you, some are not. But we like to help people when they ask questions if we know the answers. We don't know everything, like I've said before, but we try to make it work and do what we can. So we'll see you on the next video. My brother-in-law Juan, he's done a lot of his truck himself, and that, which is good. I'm helping him, but he's doing it. Another thing also, when you get something new, always check your nuts. Here's a nut where the fans get together and it's not tight, it's kind of loose. And that's a brand new fan, radiator, and everything. So check your stuff. Remember that life's short, enjoy the ride, build something, work on your car, drive it. Just drive it, get familiar with it. Let's have fun. See you on the next video.